Hello children, how are you all? Are you studying at your home? You revising a chapter or not? Okay, I hope you all are doing well and studying good at your home. And children, are you taking care of yourself also now? Okay, children, in the last video we have started lesson number 4, that is the direction and map. Part 1 already we have done. This is the part 2. So today we'll start with the things which we have studied in the last video. So what are the things? Let's recall. We have seen that when we show direction to anyone, we use simple words, right? Such as right, left, up, down, front, behind, right? To show the direction. हम बोलते हैं यहाँ से सीधा जाओ, यहाँ से वहाँ जाओ, right? यहाँ से right लो. We do not say पहले north direction में जाना, then south में जाना. We do not say such things, right children? Okay, so this we have seen in the last video. Then we have seen that while showing the path to anyone, while showing direction to anyone, किसी को जब रास्ता दिखाते, then we use the words, we use some name of the famous places like वो बैंक के पास जाना, वो post office के पास जाना, right? देन SBI बैंक के पास है, प्राइम मार्केट है. सो दीज थिंग्स आर वेल नोन टू एवरीवन. ये सबको पता होती है, वैसी चीजों के हम नाम लेते हैं. सो सच प्लेसेस आर कॉल्ड लैंडमार्क्स. वो सब प्लेसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लैंडमार्क्स. I hope this is clear to you. These are the important things which we have studied in the last video. Today we will learn about the main directions and सब डायरेक्शंस. ओके, क्या पढ़ाई करेंगे आज? मेन डायरेक्शन एंड सब डायरेक्शन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेन डायरेक्शन. चिल्ड्रन, डू यू नो दैट व्हाट आर द मेन डायरेक्शंस? आपको पता है मेन डायरेक्शन क्या होती है? I mean to say that do you know in which direction does the sun rise? क्या आपको पता है सनराइज कौन सी डायरेक्शन में होता है? सनराइज कहाँ से होता है? Yes, sunrise is in the east and sets in the west, right? So, the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Sunrise कहाँ पे होता है? East में, and sunset होता है west में. The direction in which the sun rise and sunset never changes. सनराइज का और सनसेट का डायरेक्शन कभी चेंज नहीं होता है. इट रिमेन्स सेम दैट सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. ओके, यहाँ से ईस्ट में से राइज होता है एंड देन इट सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. ओके, now how to recognize that what is the east direction, what is the west, what is north and south? So children, here is a easy way that when you are facing the sunrise, जब आपका face sunrise के सामने होता है, then this direction in front of you, it is the east direction. जहाँ पे आपका sun के side face होता है, so this direction is east direction. Then behind आपके पीछे वाला जो डायरेक्शन होता है that is the west direction, and left hand side वाला north and right hand side वाला south. I hope this is clear to you. You can try it at your home that this direction, suppose करो that this is the east direction, पीछे वाला होता है वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, राइट? जहाँ पे सनराइज के सामने अगर आपका फेस हो देन दिस इज द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, पीछे वाला होता है वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला नॉर्थ एंड राइट हैंड साइड वाला साउथ. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द डायरेक्शंस इजीली. So children, now I hope this is clear to you that there are 4 main directions, that is the east, west, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. ईस्ट का सिंबल ई होता है, वेस्ट का सिंबल डब्ल्यू, नॉर्थ का एन एंड साउथ का एस. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. देयर आर 4 मेन डायरेक्शंस, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. ओके, now we'll study about the sub direction. In between these main directions, there are 4 other sub direction. Children, you can see over here कि ये जो directions है east, west, north and south, there are in between these directions there are other 4 main directions, or we can say there are 4 other sub directions. So what are these 4 sub direction? That is the north, यहाँ पे होता है north east, then here it is the northwest, okay, then this is the southeast and this is the southwest. I hope this is clear. Northeast, northwest, southeast and this is the southwest. Easy? Is it clear to you? So children, this is the worksheet for you. Now you have to write from the short form to long form. How easy it is. See, these are the directions. चलो I am giving you. जल्दी जल्दी आप सोच लो कि कौन सा कहाँ पे आएगा. Speak it up fast. This is the okay north. This is the south. This is east and this is the west. Okay. Now this is NW is what? Northwest. NE is northeast. SE is southeast. And SW is southwest. Here is the worksheet with the correct answers. You can see the answers. North, south, east and this is the west. Northeast, northwest, southeast and this is the southwest. Okay children, so these are the main directions of this main directions and sub directions. I hope this is clear to you and you are not having any problem. Children, there are no hard words of this video, so you have to revise last time's hard words and you'll go ahead with the today's work. I hope this much is clear to you. In next video, we'll go ahead and revise the few things. So children, take care of yourself, study well and stay safe. Bye bye.